A small business owner owed a banker a considerable sum in a small Italian town long ago. The banker was an old, unattractive man who desired the business owner's daughter. He offered to forgive the debt if the daughter would marry him, but the businessman and his daughter were reluctant to accept this arrangement. The banker proposed a game to determine the outcome. He would put 2 black and 1 white stone into a bag, and the daughter would blindly choose one. If she chose the black stone, the debt would be forgiven, and she would have to marry the banker. But if the white stone were chosen, all debt would be erased and she would not have to marry him. The daughter watched as the banker placed 2 black stones into the bag, and then, when it was her turn to choose, she pretended to drop the stone and asked the banker to check the remaining stone in the bag to determine her choice. Knowing that the remaining stone was black, the banker pretended that the daughter had chosen the white stone and forgave the debt, allowing the daughter to avoid marriage to him. Moral of the story: this story demonstrates the power of quick thinking and resourcefulness in overcoming difficult situations.